proper medical care, I think he could be dead.
Much activity now.
There he goes. He's going towards Elijah.
Frank Black.
He's walking. There you go. Look at you.
He took more than 6 that time.
Yeah. Oh, you got too excited. You took more than 6 steps that time.
A woman.
She said that you found the man that you were looking for. Here, come see this.
Something going on. Can I call you back?
Keep phone there, bud.
That's how I learned.
He says, let's try it again.
He gets going too fast.
Bring me anybody else to set up. What? Someone took out this other kissy.
Are you recording it?
Come on, come on.
Yay! Yay! Oops. Now on your boot.
He's looking at me like, you pick me back up. Hold on, the hot rod. Take it easy. Slow down. Stand up here. Get your balance. Alright, go. You're getting too excited now. Come here.
He wants that camera.
Yeah, that's why he's walking.
Yeah, walk for
He's
it.
like, damn it, I was almost there.
You gotta walk for it.
He is walking. Look at him.
You made it, Dad.
Alright, you made it. Here's your fucking
You
prize.
can turn it off now.
Paul Turner.
That was
Uh-oh,
funny.
uh-oh. Nice one.